Let's check out what kind of voltage we got. Yeah. Make sure that I'm on the right CD3215 because 3v3, perfect. All right. Now we're going to check it out on the other CD3215 if we also have 3v3. And obviously we don't because we're not even plugged in to that port. Let's see. And we have 3.28. Now that's a little bit low. What is it? Yeah. 3.2. Yeah, 3.27. So something is bringing that line down. So a lot of times what happens, one of these resistors has gone bad, because that's where that's where you see this line here.